Hola chicos!
I am Kuli
And I'm Hu.
from Couple.
And today we're gonna do the review of couple skincare products from miguhara.
So good!
I'm excited. This is my exciting trick.
I have product for you.
And I have product for Juli.
Muy bien.
Let's get to it.
Yeah.
Aiguya!
So good. What I pick for you. Okay, I will start with one of your products.
Lady first.
miguhara Green Tea Calming Essence Toner. Because you love the green tea.
I like green tea of everything.
Café latte, cake,
Ice cream,
todo.
todo.
Exactly.
So my skincare is gonna be green tea too.
It's your turn.
Mine is miguhara Marine Energy First Essence.
Wow, a ver. Looks good.
I like the super how
I like
blue
the
it
packaging.
is. See?
Yes, it looks like the sea, actually.
Actually, it is. That's why it's for Marine Energy.
Looks like it's good for summer because refresh your skin. I never tried, but I bet it refresh your skin.
I want to look inside.
My turn. miguhara Green Tea Calming Essence Cream.
Okay, it's a set.
Yes, I
But
choose
this is
it.
gonna make me green?
No.
Because it's green tea.
I don't think so, but I think you're gonna. Green tea is famous for calming the skin.
Oh, yeah?
I think, yes.
Oh, I didn't know.
So for me, it's gonna be good.
Oh.
Usually your skin gets red under the sunlight, so I picked this for you. I'm thinking in you.
Green tea had a caffeine. I didn't know that green tea has a calming effect. When I drink green tea, I get hyped. So maybe this is gonna make my skin hyped.
Younger.
Younger as that. Yes.
Your turn.
Yours. Next one is Aqua Balance Ampule.
I love aqua products. You know me.
I think you are always in the loving of these aqua products.
I love aqua products. You know me well, eh?
I mean, your skin is pretty watery actually. It has a lot
That
of...
is good or bad?
It's good.
It's
better
good?
than oily, no?
Bueno,
My skin is pretty oily.
A ver. I am already pretty.
She's my wife.
And now, miguhara Ultra Whitening First Essence.
How did you know I wanted to be whiter?
Because you always complain how dark your skin is.
Actually, my only dark part is my neck here and the heel part.
Because you don't put the sunscreen there.
That's why I have other product for... Actually, maybe it's for me. I think I chose wrong.
I think this one is good. I picked thinking.
I like that.
See?
It has the... Also for the... I don't know what it's called in English. What was that? Freckles.
Freckles. Ahí está.
It has something for freckles.
I really don't know.
Because it's written in Korean. It makes the skin more cleaner with a lot of moisture and then make it more whiter.
Beautiful.
Okay, I'm gonna have a white paper skin with the freckles.
You're gonna be a rose in the garden.
Rose is red.
White rose.
White rose. Okay, I didn't thought about that. For you is Hyaluronic Collagen Moisturizer Origin.
Wow.
It's also a waterline. It's a set as either
I think that it's gonna be good for my skin. I feel the summer in those creams. I mean, we are in summer.
We are in summer already.
See.
So.
Maybe I will put those creams and feel like I'm already there.
I think
Resting in the beach.
I want to open it up and see how soft it is for the summertime.
Okay.
Let's see. I think it's because it's a waterline, it should be okay for that.
Okay. You choose a lot for me. Why? What happened?
Because woman needs more delicate care.
Do I need to put 8 creams in my skincare routine every time I do it? My skin is not so bad, you know?
There's a saying in Korea where don't eat, instead of eating, put it on your skin. They have that saying, it's like that. So instead of eating 8 different things, we can put in 8 different things on our skin.
Okay, I will remember
It's
that.
whatever.
Next one is Premium Ultra Whitening Perfect Ampoule.
It's like a set.
It's like a
whitening
set too.
Okay.
Whitening set me encanta.
It's
I
bonito.
love it. I mean, I choose different sets because I didn't know which one you were like the most. So I say, okay, I will put everything in.
My skin is pretty I think it's pretty weak.
See,
It's pretty delicate actually.
You have delicate skin, so I choose
More.
So So I choose products that for me are gonna make your skin.
More soft, right? Or like yours?
You're gonna smile always, like.
I'm already smiling.
That is your turn.
Okay. Next one for you is miguhara Green Talks SOS Ampoule.
A ver, let me see. Wow.
I think this one goes to this line. or
No, I don't think so.
Oh, you don't think so? You don't want so?
Wow, it looks beautiful. I will open it. I wanna see it. Wow. This has like small parts of green tea inside. Wow. Between this and the white line.
Aqua
Waterline.
see.
Between this and the waterline, I don't know what to choose.
Don't choose. I will take this for me, so you don't have to choose.
Okay, in the next live.
In the next live.
Okay. And I have last one for me.
Okay.
Ta-da! Whitening intensive cream. The
It's
miguhara.
a set.
This is
Okay.
a set.
Okay.
This one didn't have this part, so when I present this for you.
Intensive clean. Okay. This one also has the, of course, the things for the wrinkle.
Oh,
It
yes?
says that, yeah.
Yeah, I think you should start using those things.
Why? Because I'm getting older.
See, I can see your wrinkles there.
No one can fight against the age. Okay, next for you, I got Green Talks SOS Shell Cream. Oh, maybe
Wow.
this? I don't think it's like a cream like dense because it said gel cream.
Okay.
Can we open it to see it?
How we can use a shell like?
It's a cream, but maybe it's more watery.
Oh, you don't want to open it
Don't
yet.
open it yet. Don't open it yet.
Looks that is good, eh?
It looks good. I like the
See.
color.
It's amazing how only with one look I can tell that it's a good cream.
I like the design of the packaging.
Yes.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Good points for me, Wara. I don't have it. I choose it.
I guess it's only me then. Next one for you is Anti-Wrinkle Perfect Ampoule and the eye cream.
Oh, this is
This
like
is
the
the set.
set. I understand. Wow. I love this eye cream.
Yes,
Super necessary in the skincare routine.
I told it, yeah.
I told you that.
See, you told me that, so I remember that. See.
Wait, look this.
Oh, it looks so like delicious color.
Are you gonna eat it or are you gonna use it in your face?
No, I need to give it to my
It's
skin.
beautiful. For real, it's beautiful. The
It's
packaging,
beautiful,
I think Miwara put a lot of effort in the packaging.
It's pretty good, yeah.
I
I like
love
the shape. I can't wait till you put it on my skin.
This is mine.
Yeah, that.
Okay, another one.
Last one.
Last
It's
one.
important for you and me too.
Okay.
Daily Herb Sunstick.
I forgot the something for you.
Yes, I cannot believe you forgot that. You give me a whitening and I'm gonna get sunburned.
Okay.
But this is necessary for
Luckily you
everyone.
remember it.
Yes, I remember, so we're gonna share this one in the last.
Muy bien. Woo! Now I think we need to choose. You should choose which one are you gonna use.
It's okay. Let's choose now. One for you, one for me, and then let's do the
Difficult.
testing. Ba-bam.
I love the waterline products,
Mm-hmm.
but I wanna try this one because it looks muy bonito, muy pretty, super pretty. This.
Do you think that it's gonna be like blue like that?
I don't know. I wanna
I wanna
open it. Okay.
Where's the knife?
Let's see how it looks.
Ah.
Wow! It's like a water ball. The color is beautiful.
I like that.
Wow.
It looks very like light.
Actually, it's pretty heavy. I like the inside, but
No, I mean
ball
the
is
product itself. I'm saying the
And again, I love the packaging. What can I do? Packaging, I mean, you buy a product first for the packaging.
Yes.
Marketing.
that marketing. Good marketing.
And I think like I say, I love always the waterline products in my skincare, but I will give a try to the green tea.
Instead of
This
water
one.
line, it goes with the water
See.
line.
Wait. And eye cream, of course, it's necessary.
You're gonna mix it.
I will mix. I
Okay.
think I like
You
this.
like this? Okay.
Yes, I don't know if the short cream it's like the cream
Like
itself,
uh-huh.
to hydrate my face. But let's see how it goes. I will try it.
So let's see how it goes. I like to test it out.
Okay.
This one is for the last
Yes.
For me, I like the whitenings.
Yes.
However, I like green tea, so I will go with the green tea.
Only with green tea?
I will do this one
Okay.
along with the ampoule of whitening.
I think it's good.
And then we're gonna finish with this.
Okay.
This one, I like it, but I can't
I
wait
want
to
to try this one too. A ver. Just put it there to see.
That's what you want to try? I want to try this one too.
For now, let's try these ones and
let's
then
try.
maybe we can open the other ones to give a try.
Give us a try. Let's open it and see.
Okay. Let's go.